2016 Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, cloth upholstery, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.